I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar honeycomb cookies, step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: sugar, honey, and baking soda. You'll also need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This sweet treat is surprisingly easy to create with just a few common kitchen staples. Get ready for a fun and rewarding baking adventure. Now let's create the caramel base. In your saucepan, combine 100 grams of granulated sugar with 2 tablespoons of golden honey. Place this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Continue to cook without stirring too much, watching carefully as the syrup transforms into a beautiful, rich amber color. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, so keep a close eye on it to prevent burning. This next step is where the magic happens. As soon as your syrup reaches that perfect amber hue, remove it from the heat immediately. Now quickly but thoroughly stir in 1 level teaspoon of baking soda. You'll notice a dramatic change as the mixture rapidly foams up and expands, creating countless tiny air bubbles. This incredible chemical reaction is what gives honeycomb its signature light and airy texture. Work fast as it sets quickly. Finally, it's time to set our beautiful honeycomb. Carefully and quickly pour the entire foamy mixture onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. Resist the urge to spread it as it will naturally settle. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Allow the honeycomb to cool completely and harden for at least 30 minutes or even longer. Once it's firm and brittle, simply break it into irregular, delicious pieces. Enjoy your homemade, crunchy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.